Have you ever noticed how sometimes things just seem to go your way? You wake up feeling good, the sun is shining, and everything seems to fall into place effortlessly. It's like the universe is conspiring to make you happy. Well, that's not just luck, it's the law of attraction at work. The law of attraction is a powerful force in the universe that states that like attracts like. In simpler terms, what you focus your thoughts and energy on is what you attract into your life. If you constantly think negative thoughts, you'll attract negative experiences. But if you focus on the positive, you'll invite more positivity into your life. It's as simple and as profound as that. Here's the thing about the universe, it's always listening. It's like a giant cosmic echo chamber reflecting back to you the energy you put out. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every action you take is sending out a vibration that the universe picks up on. Think of it like ordering from a menu. If you're constantly thinking about what you don't want, debt, stress, loneliness, guess what? You're more likely to get more of that. But if you shift your focus to what you do want, abundance, joy, love, the universe will start aligning to bring those things into your reality. I remember a time when I was struggling financially. I was constantly worried about money, and it seemed like every time I turned around there was another bill to pay. But then I learned about the importance of gratitude. I started focusing on all the good things I already had in my life, like my health, my family, and my friends. And slowly but surely, my financial situation began to improve. I started attracting new opportunities, and money seemed to flow into my life more easily. It was a powerful reminder that the universe is always listening and responding to our energy. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. That includes you. Yes, you are a powerful energy being, and your thoughts and emotions have a vibrational frequency that interacts with the energy of everything around you. When you're feeling happy and positive, you vibrate at a high frequency, attracting other high-frequency energies like love, joy, and abundance. But when you're feeling down or negative, your vibration lowers, and you're more likely to attract negative experiences. Think of it like tuning into a radio station. If you want to listen to upbeat music, you tune into a station that plays that kind of music. It's the same with the law of attraction. You need to align your energy with the frequency of what you want to attract. Many people go through life without ever really asking for what they want. They might have vague desires or wishes, but they don't believe they deserve to have them, or they're afraid to ask for fear of disappointment. But the truth is, the universe loves to give. It wants you to be happy and fulfilled. All you have to do is ask. Asking doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as stating your intention clearly and with feeling. For example, if you're looking for love, you might say something like, "I'm open to finding a loving and supportive partner who brings joy and laughter into my life." The key is to be specific about what you want and to believe that it's possible. I remember when I was writing my first book. I had a clear vision for the book, but I was afraid to put it out there. I thought, who am I to write a book? But then I realized that I had to believe in myself and my message. So I started visualizing the book being published and becoming a bestseller. And guess what? That's exactly what happened. This is where the real magic happens. Believing that what you want is already yours, even before you see any physical evidence of it. This is called faith, and it's a powerful force in manifesting your desires. When you believe something is possible, you open yourself up to receiving it. Think of it like planting a seed. You plant the seed in the ground, water it, and give it sunlight. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust that it is, and eventually, you see the sprout emerge from the ground. The same principle applies to manifesting your desires. I remember when I was visualizing my dream home, I created a vision board with pictures of everything I wanted in a home: a spacious kitchen, a cozy fireplace, and a beautiful garden. I looked at that vision board every day, feeling grateful for the home of my dreams, even though I hadn't found it yet. And within a few months, I stumbled upon the perfect house, and it was even better than I had imagined. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can send out to the universe. When you're grateful for what you have, you're essentially saying to the universe, "More of this, please." Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking in your life to what you already have, creating a feeling of abundance. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. It could be anything from the warm sun on your face to the love of your family to the simple act of breathing. The more you focus on the good, the more good you'll attract into your life. There was a time when I was going through a particularly challenging period. I felt lost and uncertain about the future, but then I remembered the importance of gratitude. I started a gratitude journal, and every day I wrote down 5 things I was grateful for. At first it was difficult, but as I continued to practice, I started to notice a shift in my perspective. I felt lighter, happier, and more hopeful. Gratitude helped me to see the good even in the midst of challenges. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. When you visualize something you want, you're essentially creating a mental picture of it in your mind. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind, which is responsible for making your desires a reality. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste? Engage all your senses to make your visualization as real as possible. The key is to feel the emotions you would feel if you were already living your dream. I remember when I was visualizing my dream career. I wanted to do something that I was passionate about, something that made a difference in the world. So I started visualizing myself working in a creative and inspiring environment, doing work that I loved. I could see myself smiling, feeling fulfilled, and making a positive impact. And eventually that vision became my reality. You've probably heard the saying, misery loves company. Well, it's true. Negative energy is contagious, and it can be easy to get caught up in other people's negativity. That's why it's so important to protect your energy and surround yourself with positive influences. If you're around people who are constantly complaining or gossiping, it's going to bring your energy down. Instead, seek out people who are positive, supportive, and uplifting. Their energy will rub off on you, helping you to maintain a high vibration. I remember a time when I realized that I was surrounding myself with people who were draining my energy. They were constantly complaining and gossiping, and it was starting to affect my own outlook on life. So I made a conscious effort to distance myself from those people and to surround myself with more positive influences. It made a world of difference. The law of attraction is not about sitting back and waiting for your desires to fall into your lap. It's about taking action that is aligned with your goals and intentions. However, it's not about forcing things to happen. It's about being open to opportunities and following your intuition. When you're clear about what you want, the universe will start presenting you with opportunities to make it happen. These opportunities might come in the form of new connections, unexpected invitations, or even just a gut feeling that you should take a certain action. I remember when I was working on a new project that I was really excited about. I had a clear vision for the project and I was taking steps to make it happen. One day, I was at a conference and I met someone who was working on a similar project. We got to talking and it turned out that we could help each other out. We ended up collaborating on the project and it was a huge success. It was a perfect example of taking inspired action and following the path that the universe was laying out for me. Manifesting your desires is a journey, not a destination. There will be times when you doubt yourself, when you feel like giving up, when you wonder if it's all just a bunch of hocus pocus, but it's important to remember that the universe is always working in your favor, even when you can't see it. The key is to stay committed to your vision, to keep your thoughts and energy aligned with what you want, and to trust the process. Don't be afraid to ask for help from the universe, from your higher power, or from people you trust. And most importantly, never give up on yourself or your dreams. There have been countless times when I faced challenges or setbacks on my own journey. There were moments when I doubted myself, when I wondered if I was on the right path. But I never gave up on my vision. I kept believing in myself, I kept taking inspired action, and I kept trusting the process. And eventually, I achieved my goals. The most important thing to remember about the law of attraction is that you are a powerful creator of your own reality. You have the ability to choose your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions, and those choices shape your experiences. So choose to focus on the positive, to believe in yourself, and to take inspired action towards your dreams. The universe is conspiring to help you succeed, but you have to meet it halfway. Believe in the power of the law of attraction and watch your life transform. Remember, you are not a victim of circumstance. You are not powerless. You are a magnificent being with infinite potential. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. So, dream big, believe in yourself, and watch as the universe aligns to make your dreams a reality. The power is within you.